We got another topic update as of 6:30 a.m. PST, June 10th, and Barbara has lost significant parts of the connection of the night, but it has reblown in the last few hours over the center. We can show you this, but it's starting to go down again, and we expect shear will increase with colder water, and it's definitely going to be weakening from here on out. Let's go to Barbara. Here's the track. Northwestward. It weakens fast. I mean, look at the intensity models. Boom, weakens fast. Um, they had 50 knots. It's probably about the same now. Um, it's moving northwestward at 310 by 7. Focus is moving generally towards the northwest around the weak ridge. Moving over colder water, increased shear, and will be weakening very fast. So that's what we got on Barbara. Now Cosme. It's holding steady. We don't expect it to be a hurricane anymore. Let's be honest. Doug has been showed 55 to 65 knots, and the intensity estimates shows 45 to 59. The intensity is out at 60 knots for this advisory. I don't think it becomes a hurricane anymore. Let's be honest. Cosme continues to move very slow to the northwest with motion estimated at 300 by 4 knots, a slow motion perhaps more towards the north should continue for at least the next 12 hours since the overall steering conditions are weak. Interaction with Barbara too. However, condition Barbara weakens. Cosme will accelerate towards the north eastward in response to reaching located to the northwest of the cyclone. Its conditions are forecast to remain favorable enough. Um, so it doesn't weaken extremely fast over the next 3 6 hours, but then after it weakens pretty fast. Let's look at first. We're gonna look at the satellite image. This is clearly better organized in Barbara. LSC is about right here, so it has convection. I don't think it's completely impossible for a slight bit of strengthening in a very, very short term, but then after it's got to weaken. Most definitely. We can show you the track, which is in line with the models. Slow weakening. Now on to the GFS. We're looking at another system longer term. Has 70% chance of formation in the next 7 days. It'll form off Mexico. Which let's see. There's 126 on the GFS. 060. ECMWF. I mean, this has been having great model support for formation into a tropical cycle, and it's potentially very close to Mexico. It will be Delia. I mean, yeah, this one's 74. Let's go to GFS. I honestly think this thing has about as great chance that you can get for a system within about 5, 6, 7 days. Was this kind of model support? This is an icon. For 120. Yep, and I was just trying to form at 198. 220. 246. It doesn't really show the bacon peachy system. like I was trying to hint at last night. CMC for 240 doesn't really show much. Yeah. Well, we got one more system. We got a little something to talk about in the Western Pacific. Holy crap! Top of Depression 1. Uh, Gonna head toward China. Ooh, yeah. What a treat. This is strange. I mean, let's look at a satellite loop of it. It really LSC's about right here. I mean, not exactly too organized, but I think it'll become a tropical storm. And we'll head toward China. Well, that's your tropical update.